let's add an overlay texture to an image in Photopea. So let's choose a random image like this one. I have a texture file that I have downloaded already. So you go to open and place and choose the file, double click it, let it load, drag it to cover the canvas. Remember to hold shift so it doesn't get bigger or smaller, then enter or the check mark, and then now you have the texture. So the texture will blend with whatever is under it. So if you don't want it to, for example, blend with the text here, just move the texture layer on top of the background only. If you want it to blend with everything, move it to the top. Then you go here where it says normal and choose the one that you want. For example, overlay. Or if you want, darken. And you have plenty more to choose from. There's a lot of options here. So once you choose something like overlay here, then you can change the opacity. You can change the opacity of the texture layer itself or the background. You can change the opacity of the background and the text also. If you want the text to be look like a ghost or something, you can change the opacity of the text itself also. Once you're done, save it as a PSD or a JPEG image as you want. And that's it. And if you want more tips or tricks on how to use Photopea, grab the free guide I have in the description. I'll post the link there. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.